Hey guys, my name is Tamara Hirschberger and I just want to tell you about the most amazing, best tasting protein powder that I have ever tried. I've tried multiple flavors because I just couldn't find the best one. And I have to tell you that LadyBoss Lean is the best protein powder ever. It tastes amazing. When you mix it up, you can mix it up with anything, water, almond milk. It's so delicious and it's nice and frothy. I've even mixed it up with the peanut butter powder and it tastes so good. Whenever I get done working out at the gym, I get so excited to drink my protein powder that I end up drinking it in the shower because I just can't wait any longer. I would definitely recommend this to anyone because it tastes so good. It mixes so well. I accidentally forgot the mixing part in the shaker the other day at work, and I was a little worried because I'm like, I haven't used a protein shaker without the mixer before. So I ended up mixing it up and shaking it a couple times and it was all mixed up. So this is the best. You need to get it. It's vanilla cake and it is delicious.